I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making one Ps5, the primary console, and verifying Fortnite is fully updated. This ensures local multiplayer licenses load correctly. Plug in both controllers and sign each into a different PSN account or set one as a guest so Fortnite recognizes two players. Once done, launch Fortnite from the primary account. This begins the split-screen handshake between accounts. Make sure your internet connection is stable, because while split screen runs locally, initial profile validation still needs online access for party features. With Fortnite open on the primary account, you navigate to a supported game mode like Battle Royale or Creative because split screen is disabled in some menus. Then instruct the second player to press X PlayStation on their controller. This signals Fortnite to search for a local profile. When the second player selects their profile, the game will display a split-screen confirmation. Accept it. Doing it this way guarantees both local inputs map correctly and prevents controller conflict, which is why you must use distinct accounts or a guest. You finalize play by adjusting HUD scale and alignment so both players see important info. Small tweaks improve visibility and comfort. If split screen fails to appear, make sure the second account is signed into PSN, update both controllers' firmware, and confirm Fortnite's version matches the primary account. Mismatches block local joins. As a last step, restart the PS5 or remove and re-add the secondary account. This refreshes local licenses and often resolves stubborn connection or profile recognition problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.